guys, welcome back to the channel. So we made it up Etna and it's about -7 with the wind chill.
It's bloody freezing.
But the view makes it all worth it. I really hope this cloud passes and we actually can see something, but I mean the path, it's so trippy. Right, I'm going to switch the camera around so you can actually see it, but we're literally walking on like a fat tightrope, but really high up.
It's sketchy, yeah.
Very, but it's an experience nonetheless. So this is the path, so as you can see, nothing on the edges. And we can see about that far into the distance. So yeah, sketchy.
It gets pretty warm pretty quickly.
Stealing the heat.
So it gets really hot, like you dig just a little bit further.
At least it doesn't stink of sulphur. So what is it? It's just the hydrothermal stuff?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
It's literally clearing as we walked. We can finally see everything. I mean, the view was good whilst it lasted.
I'm so happy.
It's literally disappearing now. We saw it for a split second. Still so cool. Damn. So we're heading back down the mountain now, and look how steep it is, and the ground is literally like rubble and bits of loose rock. So how we're not going to stack this, I don't know. But we just bought a t-shirt from the halfway point, which is there, and I'll show you that after I get down this lovely volcano, if I get down it. I'm trying to very steadily walk right now, but just look at that terrain. We could have paid another 25 euros to get the cable car down, but where's the fun in that? There's the cable cars going down. But we got a cable car up, so, well, up to halfway, and then we walked the other half. So we sort of cheated on the way up, but the way down's not that much easier, I can tell you that. So I will see you guys in a minute. So a little update, we haven't made it to the base yet, but we are literally sliding down as if we're skiing on an old ski slope. Well, I say old, it probably is still a ski slope when it's got all the snow on it, but it's just so vertical. Like, I don't even think I can show you how, like, we're walking down a steep incline, and if you look at Meg down there, yeah, it's definitely interesting, and the ground is not the greatest for walking on. I'm literally sliding right now. I went to fake slide for you guys and I actually slid. But yeah, we'll make it down to the bottom at some point. I think the rest of our course mates, because we're on a field trip right now, are in the cable cars that are now completely hidden by fog. Like, we are literally in a cloud again, so who knows where we're going, and we have no idea how far we are to the base. But that's the fun of it. Adventure! Oh god, Meg, look at my hair.
Look at my hair.
So we can see the bottom, yep, just about there. The path behind us does, like, I'm trying to like do this backwards, it loops the long way around, but we've walked down basically a ski slope the whole time. Yeah. So why not follow the cable cars all the way down? So we're just going to walk the last little stretch, and then I will show you the t-shirt I got and see what's at the bottom. Made it back to our very cute little apartment, and I thought I would just showcase the bits and bobs I got, because I didn't actually manage to film anything around like the cute shops at the base of Mount Etna, but I got a few more items. I'll start off with the t-shirt I was talking to you guys about earlier. Now this one was actually a bit pricey in terms of, like, in comparison to the other t-shirts down at the base, but it was at the halfway point, so I guess that's fine. So it was 20 euros for a t-shirt, and they didn't have any sizes that fit me, like a small or a medium. They had a 3XL, but so I basically got a dress, but it just has Mount Etna and a cute little print on the front. But I thought it'd be cute to like tie as a little crop top, because there's so much material you can tie it very easily. But I thought it would look sweet with jeans. It's just a very nerdy top, really. But no, so that's that one. And to be honest, even if I don't want to wear it around, it's a great little pajama top. And then Then I got 3 fleeces. Now these are quite funny because basically when I got to the base, I saw them in the first shop and I was like, oh my god, these are amazing. So I bought 2 because I was like, I love them. And then I went further down and found the fleece of my dreams that if I saw that one first, I wouldn't have bought the other 2, but that's just how it goes. So my camera just filled up, but it's fine. We've got some more storage now. So the first fleece I got is this blue one, which is, it's just like really thick and it's a small men's. So it's on the like, it's a little bit oversized on me, but it's just quite nice because I can wear some layers underneath it. And then it just has some sweet embroidery on the chest there. And it just says Mount Etna and its height, which actually isn't quite correct anymore because it's collapsed, but no one will know that, so it's fine. But it's just so thick and I love it. So I got a blue fleece. And then the next one I got is a more like fitted one, which is red. And it just has a different logo embroidered on. Again, it's nice and thick, but this one's more like tight to my body, and I got this one in a small, but this is a small women's, so it fits a bit nicer. But no, I really love them because all my black fleeces, apart from this one, they all have like little holes in from when I've worn them fossil hunting, so I need replacements anyway. And now I've got 3 Volcano ones, so what more could you want? So before I opened the final fleece, I did get one more t-shirt. So this one was something like €7, and I just thought it was quite cute. And on the back of it, it just has the height. And this is a medium, so it fits a lot better than my 3XL, but I just thought it was cute, and you can never have too many t-shirts. But, so my favourite fleece, he very kindly wrapped up for me in, like, cute Etna wrapping paper. He basically gift wrapped it for me. So the first 2 fleeces were €25 each, which isn't, like, horrendous for a fleece, but this one was only 20, so bargain, and it's my favourite. It was quite funny, when I saw it hanging, like, outside his shop, they only had, like, 3XLs, and I've been having a nightmare with sizing today, but this one, he managed to find a large in it. But look at the embroidery on it, it's so detailed. It's just amazing, I love it. So it's a large, but it's got like pull strings on the base, so I can sort of make it like just look like a cute oversized jumper with jeans. And I just fell in love with it. I love the cream of it. I'll just wear it like casually around as like a fleece. But they're just such nice fleeces, and they weren't, I mean, so this was the same price as my shitty little halfway point t-shirt, but I know which one I prefer. Just look at the embroidery on this one is so much more detailed than all the others, and Etna is erupting, which is just even cooler. But yeah, so that's today's vlog for you guys. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe and let me know what you thought of my 3 fleeces. I definitely overkilled it today a little bit, but I'm on holiday, it's fine. But no, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.